Hello all, my name is Kayomars and we will continue with the fourth part of this tutorial, modeling, texturing and lighting an interior in 3dsmax using Vray. So let's get started. So we have created up till here. Let's create this table. For this table, very first of all, we will use a line over here. Just select the line over here. Into this line, go into rendering, enable in viewport and reduce the length. So you can just shift this over here, rotate it and make a duplicate of it and click on this copy. So now go to the top view, can go on to the top view, just resize it and take a box over here. So just scale it down and you can reduce the scale a bit more and you can do the finishing part. So if you want to give a bit of a curvy look, you can just convert this into a poly, go into this edge and say loop to the all, select this, excluding the center part and there is option called chamfer and click OK. So you can give a bit of chamfer to the shape. So now you can create, we have the reference of a book, we can take this book again over here, take it as a copy over here and rotate it as it is, as we require it. So you can rotate a bit over here. So now you need to create a cup. For the cup, what you can do is either you can use a cylinder or we have option over here called teapot. You can use this teapot over here. You can go into this teapot and you can off this spout and lead, and there is a modifier called taper. You can take a modifier called taper and you can increase, decrease the size of the cup. So you can increase, decrease the size of the cup. Also we have one more modifier called stretch. So you can use the stretch modifier also to give the shape of a cup. So you can use this. So if you want the shape in any of it, so you can give this shape to the cup. You can go into taper and you can resize from the top. So that's make it looks like a cup. And you can change the color over here. We'll just save this file over here. So we have some more fine details. You can use this tray over here. So you can also create a tray. For the tray we can use a box over here. You can use this box on the top. Okay, so shift this box onto the top over here. Press Alt and Q for isolation mode. Just convert this into editable poly, and you can use the inset option, and you can use a bit of bevel option, and you can push this like this and click OK. So select this, say inset, and again give a bevel inside and click OK. That's it. So right click, end isolate. So here is your tray. So you have created your tray over here also. So you can save your file. So you can create this. So you can use this cup. If you want to keep this cup, you want to take a copy of it, press Alt A. Alt A is for align with that particular object. So you can easily align that particular object with it, with the shape, and you can shift this a bit up. So as you can see, now what you can do over here is, so we have missed out the paddle part over here, so we can create that paddle part of the digital piano. So you can use this line over here. So you can shift this line over here, shift this over here. You can go to the top view and you can rotate it. And make it as a local so you can increase the length over here. You can easily increase the length over here. So now you can also create the paddle over here easily, or you can easily scale it, or you can increase the length. So paddle can easily be created. So you can create a paddle like this onto the top. So you can also create directly over here. So you can resize it. So convert to editable poly, and you can use this loops over here to give it a perfect look. So you can resize it, or you can just give it a shape like this, and you can select this edge and you can just select in this way, deselect it by pressing Alt. The area which you want to deselect, you can just deselect that part. You can just deselect it, and you can give a bit of a chamfer option, and that's it. Okay, so you can use this option for aligning it. Go to the top view and let's align it accordingly. So you can align this, all the three elements. So you can just join it. If you want to join it, you can just join this. I'll just give a basic color to this piano. If you want to give any kind of basic color, we can just give a basic color from here. So we have a color of the piano over here. So you can just define that particular color to look more appealing. So we just go on selecting this buttons. You can go into the top view and you can just add more, and you can subtract this, but you need to subtract the buttons which are on the top. So make sure you're not selecting the top ones. So for that you have to subtract all this. Okay, so you just give a white color. If you like to give a white color over here, you can give a white color to it so it looks better. So I'll press Ctrl I, that is for the invert selection. So if you like to make the selection invert, and you can take a lasso tool, you just invert the whole object selection. Okay, so you can just invert this, all the selections. You can easily invert the selections, so you don't need the buttons over here. You can slowly, you can just invert the selections. Oops. Okay, so the selections are inverted, and you can give a simple black color from here. Okay, so you can give a bit of a you can add your custom colors over here. We can say okay to it. So now you can see you have assigned this a color over here. So you can, it looks more appealing. This is just a basic color we have applied to make it look more appealing. So as you can see over here, you can see we have done this stuff over here. So now what you can do is you can place up a camera. You can place up a camera from here. You can place up a camera from the particular view by pressing Ctrl C from that particular view. So if you press Ctrl C from the particular view, you can easily place up a camera. So Ctrl C to place up a camera. So thanks for watching this tutorial. We'll continue in the next session.